Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook cabbage stir fry with pork. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. You need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cabbage, and then pork, garlic, onions, and spring onions. See the garlic. And then the onions, and then the spring onions. Guys, we're gonna add the pork. Good. And then a pinch of salt. Okay guys, we're gonna cover this one for dinner for a few minutes until the meat is done. Okay? Okay. The right back is done. Okay? So we're gonna add the cabbage stir fry with pork. Okay. Oh, a lot of cabbage, guys. Look at this, guys. It's super yummy, guys. For 1 minute. And then we'll be right back. Each stir fry is done. It's super yummy, guys. And then I'm going to garnish. I'm gonna off the heat na. And then I'm gonna garnish this one. And then it's tasting time. I'm gonna taste, guys, with this meat. Okay. Right, yummy. So that's our cabbage stir fry is done. Okay guys, it's very yummy. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. It's a very simple dish, cabbage stir fry with pork. Okay, thank you for watching, guys.